Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the beautiful Manto collection with the floating sinks on top of it. So let's go take a look at the finer details of the collection. Designed to fit beautifully into any space, the Manto collection comes in three sizes, 36 and 48 with one sink, and 60 inches with a double sink. This collection features a wall mount design, enhancing both the aesthetics and the practicality of your bathroom by facilitating easy cleaning. Each vanity is finished in matte white, adding a touch of brightness to your space. Complemented by a stunning white granite countertop, pre-drilled for a single faucet, our Manto vanity simplifies installation while maintaining a sleek, unified appearance. The drawers feature soft closing technology, ensuring a quiet and gentle closure. Additionally, each vanity comes complete with a chrome pop-up drain, enhancing functionality and elegance. Taking off the drawers off of the Manto vanities is very easy. You just need a screwdriver or a drill. So you just need to take off the two screws that are underneath on the left and right, and that's all you need to do. Once the screws are out, all you need to do is just pull the drawer up and towards you, and it comes right out. Visit our website or follow us on social media to discover how Golden Elite Deco can enhance the beauty and functionality of your home.